morning, good afternoon, good night. It depends on when you watch this. It's Tux Paint Monday. I'm Billy, citizen of the universe. Welcome to my journey. Today, I want to talk about myself. I want to draw my story with Tux Paint. Click the magic tool and scroll to find the Fill tool. Use the color picker tool to select a lighter shade. As some of you may know or may not know, I'm not from Earth. I believe you can figure that much out from my look. I come from the deep, dark space. There are many stars in the space. And there are also many spaceships in the space. Many of them travel in the speed of light. My father's spaceship is one of them. We can draw with two brushes that are symmetric across the top and bottom. Our spaceship is very fast with a big engine. And we have a lot of power. Oh, I'm out of space. Let me use the Shift tool. And I'm still out of space. Let me use the Zoom tool. Zoom out. Much better. Let me close the gap. Otherwise, when I fill the outer area into black, my file will turn into black too. I will use the pattern tool to add more stars into the background. The magic tool is my favorite. I use it a lot. It helps to add rainbow, pattern, raindrops, many things. It's very useful. When I say a lot of power, I mean a lot. We have traveled a lot in this spaceship. During holidays, my father takes me to a lot of different planets. Because I have used the noise tool, now it is a bit hard to fill the spaceship. I decide I will use the paintbrush tool to paint the whole area of my spaceship. No problem cannot be solved, right? With the symmetric tool, let me re-outline my father's spaceship. I'm proud to say I have seen a lot of cool stuff. When we need to travel a very far distance, our spaceship will be in rainbow mode. Like this. travel a far, far, far distance. Some planets are near our home galaxy. Some are not. I'm used to these long and short trips. However, this time is different. We have to travel a super long distance. In order to reach our destination, we have to travel several human months in rainbow mode. Our destination is Earth. We have to move here because of my father's job. My father says this is a new page of our life. But I'm not so sure if this is a good page or a not so good page. My father parks his spaceship, and this is the first time I have seen a human city. There are concrete buildings everywhere. It is very different from my home city. I don't think I like the buildings very much, but I like the blue sky and green grasses. It's also the first time I see clouds. And one fun thing is, we can travel on train on Earth. I have never seen a train before. I have never walked on grasses before. My father says new experiences are good, and we have to stay on Earth for a few years. Earth is a giant blue circle. Let's use the shape tool to draw a giant blue circle. Let me use green to draw some land. Paintbrush tool. A smaller size brush. Draw some land. Use the color picker tool to pick light brown color to draw shore and mountains. Do you know Earth is the third planet from the Sun? We can use eraser to erase any excessive brush strokes. Erase. Let me get rid of these. Pick the right size eraser. Big eraser can cover a large area. Small eraser is good for erase details. Pick the paintbrush tool again to draw the ice cap. A bit of light gray and white. And some clouds. We are almost done. Let's clean up the picture. Fill in black. Yeah, the space. Space is boundless, you know? I like the sound of the text too. What do you think? Lastly, we should add more stars. It is the space, right? There should be many, many stars. As my dad always says, you are never alone in the universe. Bye bye, see you next week. See ya!